How's everybody doing today? So today I got the top best storage tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. So the first tweak is called Apps Manager. This tool provides a way to wipe, backup, restore app data for installed apps. Also, I do have a video coming out on this, guys, on my main channel, Apple Tech Stop. If you guys want to go check it out. Pretty much, I show you guys how to transfer. Using this tweak, it's actually amazing. Like, so you can back up, you can restore your app data, and you also can actually, if you have another Jailbreak device, that has this tweak installed, Apps Manager, yes, you can transfer your data from one device to another, like really easily. So if I have like 1,000 coins and I'm in like I have a certain amount of cards in a certain app or game, I can transfer that exact same data that's on that one app or one game to another device. Like literally, it's amazing, guys. Like if I have like 1,000 coins and I have 5 cards unlocked, I can transfer all that data to another device. It's pretty cool. Obviously, it depends on how the data is implemented, but it works really amazingly. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Alright, next tweak is called Safari Plus Syphilis. There's also a regular tweak called Safari Plus. There's no point in doing both of them because they both do the same exact thing. I don't even know what the difference is besides one has syphilis, the other one does not have that in its name. Exact same version as well, 1.7.20. But this tweak pretty much is Safari. So pretty much gives Safari a bunch of cool and additional features. So you have privacy features you have to read about, uploads and download features, usability. This is honestly where Apple should have done the Safari. Like, it makes it way more better. Action features, gestures, customization. Supports iOS 8.4 through 14.8. Alright, next tweak is called iKey Monitor and Key Loggers. This is a really cool tweak, but also very scary tweak. So what this tweak does, it's an easy to use and powerful parental control app for iPhone or Android. Obviously, you don't have to use it as in that sense. Most people probably don't. Pretty much what it does, look, log keystrokes typed in any app. So pretty much what record history, record phone calls, record everything. So this is a perfect tweak to put on your kid's phone or whatever. Obviously, you have the jailbreak. You need a jailbreak down this tweak, and then pretty much records everything they do. In other words, so when they type something up, it records that. So you can literally see what they're typing, like what words they typed in. If they typed in like "Hi, I love you," you can see that, which is scary because I feel like the people who create this tweak can also have access to that kind of information, which they probably do. I think it runs off a server. I'm not exactly sure. So, you know, is it really just you looking at what this person's doing, or is it someone else looking at it too and stealing or taking your information and selling it? I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. That's just my opinion. This tweak, it does work. I tried it out. It is amazing. It does work. It actually did give me some issues with the jailbreak. It was really weird. Gave it like some kind of network error. So it is a little suspicious, but it does work. Like literally, if you type something up, it does record like your keystrokes and all that stuff. So it is a great tweak to have if you have a kid and you just want to. Trust issues is one thing. That's not the point of the video, but just see, if your kid's staying out of trouble and just, I guess, keep an eye on them, making sure that they're doing the right thing. I don't know, use it for your own purposes, but that's just what this tweak does. It pretty much monitors all this kind of stuff. Alright, this tweak is called Social Composer. Compose quick posts in your social network apps anywhere. This tweak is a widget called Minimo, and it's an interactive widget. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. This tweak is called UU Plus, and the best tweak for the YouTube app. Supports iOS 13 and 14. So, pretty much like a YouTube plus alternative. So you have picture-in-picture mode, HD mode, classic video quality, no hover cars, YT system appearances, or parents, YT no check local network, returns the dislikes, and you have custom speeds you can do. It's called lib readline 8 GNU readline history libraries runtime libraries. It's called Bash, the best shell ever written by Brian Fox. This is called Bash low power, and a skew a bash script when low power mode gets enabled or disabled. This tweak is called Fish, friendly interactive shellfish, shell geared towards interactive. Next tweak is called Crane. It's also Crane Lite, which is a tweak that you can try for free. Only can do one app at a time. But this is the main one, guys, called Crane. I think it costs like $2 or something. Supports iOS 11 to 14.8.1. Also read the notes right here on torrent users for 14.0 to 14.2.1 are not supported. So it's a management solution that creates multiple containers per applications. So you pretty much have your account switch in, so you have like different multiple accounts per your applications. so you can easily switch between your accounts. So if you have one account that has like all this, has a certain amount of progress and a certain amount of game progress, you can easily switch to another account. So another example we can use this tweak for is if you have Snapchat, instead of like sign out, sign back into another account, you can pretty much just easily switch between if you have 2 different Snapchat accounts or 3 or 4, you can easily switch between your accounts. This is called Nano. Also, another tweak is called Snap Util. It's a APFS snapshot tool. Nano is a completely free modern clone of Pico. Pico, GNU, Nano is easy to use text editor. This is called Nano Banners, small banners by Nepeta. This is called Supervised Enabler, which iOS 11 to 14 enables supervised mode. If you move it, it will be restored. So you can install and enable with 90-day delay, mobile config, etc. This is called Rocket for Instagram, which is pretty much a great Instagram plus alternative. So it gives you these features to Instagram, and what's great about this tweak is that Odyssey is created by, it might be created by the same person. Yeah, I think that created Circube, but it's for Instagram, and it gets updated pretty frequently. So yeah, so the Instagram app from the App Store, and you get to install this tweak. You get all these features right here. Another tweak that's like an Instagram plus alternative is called Plus for Instagram, and this pretty much does, it's a must-have tweak. You get a bunch of features you guys can read for yourself. So I mentioned also these tweaks down here, guys. Ultra Power Saving Mode, your most advanced battery saving tweak. Chat speaker, speak incoming notifications with options. And don't stop my call. Don't hang up on your active call when pressing the lock button. This is called IPSW and iOS or macOS Research Swiss Army Knife. This is called Apple File Conduct 2, iOS 11 Plus, ARM64. So it allows full file system, so compared with iOS 7 to 14, which is an ARM64 device, including those using KPP-less jailbreaks, which is Electra, Meriden, etc. So it's a modified version of Search original AFC2 code that downloads and installs an ARM64 copy of FCD, requires an iOS 11 and above, straight from Apple, and automatically grants the necessary platform application entitlement required. Alright, last tweak's called BH Twitter, and it's an awesome tweak for Twitter. So you have these features right here. But you guys, that's pretty much for after this video. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Comment, subscribe, and peace.